Hey everybody, Scott Monday with Kitchen and Bath Crate, and today we're at Kitchen Crate Custom Fairhaven Place in Modesto. We want to show you a home renovation that matters. This is a project we recently completed. We want to come back and show you the results of the project, as well as some information about some potential return on investment and a better chance of selling this property down the road. All right, so here we are with homeowner Sean and real estate agent Aaron West with the West Experience. So Aaron, you looking forward to seeing this project?
No, I'm super excited to see it. I remember how bad the countertops were in this kitchen and the layout was just so horrible. So I'm really looking forward to seeing how this turned out.
Okay, let's go check it out.
Wow, Sean, this looks amazing. What a great difference.
A couple of things I really love about my new kitchen. The openness, the sight lines into the other room, this island, it's a great workspace, really easy to work around. And throughout the whole process, Kitchen Crate made it really easy to customize and come up with the layout that worked best for us.
You know, I would have to agree that the biggest difference in this kitchen is just the feel that you get when you come in, from it being such a boxy kitchen to where now everything flows so well, and then the layout is just so much more user-friendly than it was before too.
So Aaron, based on what you see and obviously the number of homes and customers you interact with in a given year, did this renovation make sense for Sean and his family from a saleability perspective and from a return on investment perspective?
It most definitely did. It made the home so much more saleable because it does have that open feel now to it, which is so important to buyers today. But on a return on investment side of it as well, with the cost of the project, not only did they recoup that cost, but they also added an additional 25% on top of that cost added to the value of the home itself. So it made total business sense to do and made this home so much more functional.
That's fantastic to hear. Now Sean, why don't you just show us a few of your favorite features of this project?
So I'm a big coffee person. This is where I make it every morning. It's got everything I need over here. I also have a toddler running around the house, so this drawer microwave that I can lock the panel, that's a really good feature. These cabinets, I keep all my small appliances in here, and it just keeps everything neat and organized.
This is such a great space. I love the microwave. I've had kids, and that was something that I wish I would have had for sure. You know, the other thing that I love about this area is the backsplash and then the exposed shelving. It is such a nice feature, and it just makes this kitchen feel a little bit more high-end. You know, congratulations on a great remodel. This has turned out beautifully.
And there we are, Kitchen Crate Custom Fairhaven Place in Modesto. Thanks so much for watching. Now, if you have a kitchen or bathroom need, we'd love to help. Go ahead and give us a call at 888-995-7996, or of course, log on to kbcrate.com to see literally hundreds of past projects profiled. Thanks so much for watching.